This golden liquid is made by thousands of tiny workers, but what really happens inside a beehive might surprise you. From flowers to honeycomb and finally into the jar, this process is more complex than you think. And wait till you see how this thick honey flows. It is incredibly satisfying. The journey begins in open fields where beehives are carefully placed. Inside each hive, thousands of bees are constantly working together. Every bee has a role and every movement matters. Every day, these bees travel long distances to collect nectar. They collect tiny drops of nectar from flowers.
This nectar is the starting point of honey.
Thousands of bees repeat this process again and again. This is where transformation begins. Inside the hive, the nectar is passed from bee to bee. These perfect hexagon cells are built to store honey. The nectar is carefully stored inside each cell. Thousands of bees work non-stop to fill the honeycomb. Over time, the nectar slowly transforms into honey. The liquid becomes thicker and richer. Once the cells are filled, the honey is ready to be collected. Beekeepers handle the hive gently to protect the bees. The frames filled with honey are removed carefully. Each frame is full of rich golden honey. And this is where the factory process begins next. These frames are now taken for extraction, but what happens next is even more fascinating.
Each frame is packed with thick, golden honey.
The frames are loaded into a powerful spinning machine. And this is where things get really satisfying. The machine spins rapidly using centrifugal force. The honey is pulled out from the cells and flows downward. Watch how smoothly the honey flows out. This process extracts honey quickly without damaging the comb. The extracted honey collects at the bottom. And now the golden liquid begins to flow out.
But the process is not finished yet.
Raw honey still contains wax and natural particles.
So the honey is now sent for further processing.
Notice the rich and thick texture.
Now comes the cleaning process. Filters remove wax and impurities.
Now the honey is ready for storage.
The honey is stored in large tanks before bottling. This helps maintain consistency and quality. Now the honey moves to the bottling section. Bottles are prepared and aligned. The filling process begins. The rich texture is clearly visible. Each bottle is sealed tightly. Labels are added for identification. Every detail is carefully managed, subtitles included. Boxes are sealed securely. The products are prepared for delivery. They are secured for safe transport. The honey is ready to leave the factory. Trucks are loaded with finished products. It travels to stores across different locations. And finally, it reaches customers. After this long journey, the honey finally reaches stores, but the story not end here.
Even inside the bottle, you can see how thick and rich the honey is.
Now the honey reaches the final destination, your home. You might not notice this, but even opening the bottle shows how dense the honey is. This slow flow is what makes honey so unique and satisfying.
Each drop forms perfectly before falling.
And when it touches food, the texture becomes even more visible.
It spreads slowly, creating a smooth, glossy layer.
But notice how it never breaks. Suddenly, it always flows with control. Honey dissolves differently compared to sugar, making it even more interesting. It blends slowly, creating golden patterns inside the drink.
This is why honey is used in so many different ways.
But there is still something even more satisfying about watching it fall again and again.
This is where nature creates something truly unique.
No artificial process can fully replicate this texture. Every tiny movement shows how dense and rich it is. And this moment captures everything about honey. From thousands of bees to one single drop.
This is the result of an incredible journey.
Watch how perfectly the honey flows one last time. A simple product with a complex journey. And every bottle tells that story. Because this is where everything comes together. After this entire journey, this is the final result.
If you enjoyed this video, you are going to love what we show next, so don't forget to like and subscribe for more satisfying factory videos.